Hi everyone. I hope you are ready to move on next session by understanding the meaning of words and the personalities given in the last class. Already I gave you the main headings of the chapter. So students, today we will discuss the first heading, changes in map making. Let's now understand the changes in map making using the examples given below. There are two maps in your textbook. The first map was made by Arab geographer Al-Idrazi in 1154 CE. CE means common era. Okay, here we can see that the detail of the Indian subcontinent from his larger map of the world. Map 2 was made in 1720 CE by a French cartographer Guillaume Delisle. We can easily recognize that the two maps are quite different even though they are of the same area. Look at Al-Idris's map. Where is South India and North India? Where is the island Sri Lanka? South India is where we would expect to find North India and Sri Lanka at the top. And places names are marked in Arabic, and Kanauj in UP spelled in the map as Quanauj. Then map 2. Map 2 was made nearly 600 years later map 1. So information about the subcontinent had changed considerably in this period. This map seems more familiar to us. Coastal areas are detailed in his map. So, Guillaume Delisle's map was used by European sailors and merchants on their voyages. Voyages means travel by sea. So, we can conclude the difference between two maps here by using these points. The important fact is that the science of cartography differed in the two periods. Both maps gave the details about same area, but the differences between them is huge. So, historians should be careful when they read documents, map and text from past to study about history. It is necessary to be sensitive to historical context because the method of making maps and text varies from time to time. I think now you understand what are the changes that have occurred in this period with the help of the two maps. So don't forget to write answers your questions. First, Dash was an Arab geographer. Second, Guillaume Delisle was a French dash. Then one activity. From given three maps, find out the differences and similarities. Okay, thank you everyone.